Hi friends, today we will see some basics of the Origin software. So for that let's open the Origin software. Here I am using the Origin 9 which is the latest version used nowadays. Origin is a plotting software which is used by research people mainly in physics, chemistry, material science etc. for different plotting and analysis purpose. So let's see how to import data and plot using Origin software. So this is the preview of the Origin software, and this book one, this table or this box is known as the workbook. So into this workbook we have to add or import our data. So for that go to file, the leftmost option at the top, and then go to import. From there select single ASCII and now select the data which is saved in our system. So I had saved an XRD data to my desktop, and from there select XY file. In some systems it will be ASCII file, ASCII file, or it can be raw file. So select appropriately. So select this XY file and click on to open. So now you can see that X and Y values are incorporated to our workbook. Now give the names. For as it is XRD, the x-axis is 2 theta and y-axis is intensity, and unit for 2 theta, that is degree, and unit for intensity is arbitrary units. So now our data is ready to be plotted. Now select X and Y axis from the top and then go to the option plot. Fourth option from the left, go to the option plot. Then select line and again line. So now you can see that our XRD is plotted. So now modifications are to be done to this plot, which we will see in the later videos. Now let's see some other methods of importing data. Now let's see how to import text file, TXT file or Excel file to Origin. So for that, take a new workbook. So creating a new workbook, just click on to this new workbook option, which is the third option from left. By clicking this new workbook, you will get a new workbook. See this book 2. So we have 2 blank workbooks here. So you can also delete it just by right clicking, and the delete option is there. So this is a new workbook that we created. So now again go to file, then click on to import, then single ASCII. Then if our data is Excel file, see this is XID1 is an Excel file, you can see here. Now click on to open. So you can see that with lots of data this Excel file is open. So simple method is delete all this above, the data with except the data, delete all the things that is available in this workbook. So delete all this. Alright, so we have it here. First one is the x-axis and this one is the y-axis. So delete the other columns. Then select that column, go to delete option. Now our x and y-axis is here. So again give the name. X-axis is 2 theta. Y-axis is intensity, as this is XRD file. You can also give the units or comments and all that. Then click on to this, select the X and Y, then go to plot, go to line and line again. So our XRD is plotted. Right. Now for the next method, Okay, we can delete this file here. Go to graph, then go to right click onto graph and click onto delete. This is our XID file. So again, right click onto this XID file, then go to delete. Yes. Now again create a new workbook. So this is a new workbook that we created. Now let's see how to import multiple data to workbook. So go to file for importing multiple data. Go to file, then go to import. Now select multiple ASCII. As we have to import multiple data, select multiple ASCII. Now select different values from here. Select this first one, XY file. Then go to the option add files. Now select the next file, that xid2.xy, and then select add file. If you want to remove any of this file, just select that file and go to remove files. So here we had selected two set of data to this, and then then select OK. Then you will see that both these data will be available in our workbook. Here they are asking whether we have to replace the existing data or create new files. So let it replace the existing data as there is no data here. Then click on to OK. So you can see that our XID1 and XID2, both the data is here. So this is how you will do multiple ASCII or multiple floating, importing. Alright, now there is a very simple method. Usually most of us are doing that method. I'll show that. For that, let's delete these. Now we can create a new workbook. Okay, so now go to the file where our data is saved. So this is my data file. So select the XID data. Here select the text or Excel or some kind of text data. Select some kind of text data. So this is a very simple method. Usually we use to do this, right? Copy paste method. It's called copy paste method. So from here, just select the set of data only. Excluding all other, select the set of data. Sorry. So we have selected the data from here. Now copy this data. Then go to the origin workbook. Select the first column and paste the data there. So you can see that x and y value is pasted here from some sort of text data. So now naming you can do, and just we can try plotting that to see whether it is working well. Yeah, it's going good. So XID is plotted here. Now let's see one more. Let's see how to import text data. Text data also you can do by copy paste method, or let's see if it is working to import. So create a new workbook. Alright, then go to file, go to import, go to single ASCII. Now let's try some text data. So UV data, usually we get it as text document, or JWS file, that won't work here. So go to text document and then open. So here the text data is imported. Now delete the other variables here and delete all the items over here. Okay, now you can give the name for UV, it is wavelength, and y-axis is absorbance. Can be transmittance as well, and give the units accordingly, and then select the data, then go to plot, go to line, and then again line. So our UV is plotted here. Now I'll show a simpler method for plotting. This is our value or the workbook. Now select the x and y axis and just go to this line, this figure of line here. Select that, then you can see that it is getting plotted. So these are some simple techniques on how to import data and how to plot using Origin. Now we will see a modification or beautification of this graph in the upcoming video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends so that it will be helpful for them. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.